Welcome to my newest listing here in Farmersville, Texas, situated on 10 acres. Not only are you getting the primary residence at the end of the lot, you're also getting this 1,200 square foot barn with 5 stalls. One of the benefits of having 10 acres here are the agricultural benefits for crops, plenty of space to raise a family, and only 13 properties in this subdivision. You have a beautiful shaded walk down to Lake Lavon here where you can fish, kayak, paddleboard, and enjoy everything that this lake has to offer.